I'm in the process of filing a trademark. I was asked to amend my description of my logo, as well as update my class descriptions. Inside the amend response form, I see the option to upload the specimen as well to the website the mark is on. Do I need to input this information again if I did the initial application? The reason I'm asking is that I want to go to the end of my response to download the PDF. I see a quote, no response in those rows. Pretty detailed question here. Any help?
Yeah, pretty straightforward. So like two parts to it. One amendment, but two parts to the amendment. The first is for the description of the logo. One thing that I've been doing in the last few months that's worked out incredibly well is using ChatGPT to generate the description of the logo for the USPTO. It does it beautifully, like perfectly. I've had no pushback from the USPTO when I use ChatGPT to describe the logo to them. So that's what I've been using. So that's my recommendation for new applications. Generally speaking, the examining attorney is going to offer some really helpful feedback on how you describe that logo. So I would just go with what they suggest. That's pretty, it's generally the best practice. And then with regard to amending in the classes, upload the specimen. So they need a substitute specimen, it sounds like. Okay. Yeah, so you'll provide the substitute specimen. You do not need to submit a substitute specimen as well. Unless they're putting you in a different class. Then you might need to upload the specimen. But my suggestion here to this person would be that just email or call the examining attorney. He or she'll get back to you pretty quick. And they'll tell you exactly what they want. And they might even offer to do it for you via examiner's amendment if it's minor.
Got it. And there's also things like it's too much. Of course, you could just pick up the phone and call Bolt.
Yeah.
And Matt would take care of it for you. I think you nailed it. ChatGPT, it had a few things in here. I think I missed actually a lot of what you said. It mentioned if there's an amendment response to a trademark app, you must re-enter or re-upload information if prompted. If your downloaded response PDF says no response, that means nothing was submitted for those fields with an office action.
Potentially. Depends on if that information was submitted prior.
Okay.
So in the first application, you submitted it, and the second one you didn't, but you're not bolzing. It depends.
Okay. So you can get in trouble pretty quick because you can't really rely on what you submitted before.
Yeah.
Each submittal kind of stands on its own.
Yeah. If I was putting them into a different class, I would probably re-upload that same specimen, again, just because but worst case, the examining attorney is going to issue another office action, and you'll have another 3 months to fix it again. Basically, everything can be fixed at the USPTO if you do it in a timely fashion.